Hello friends, welcome to our channel Logical Developer. Today we will discuss about how to resolve class-not-found-exception error in Java programming. Class-not-found-exception is a common error that occurs when a Java program is unable to find a required class at runtime. This error typically occurs when the JVM Java Virtual Machine tries to load a class that is not available on the class path or when the class is not included in the build a runtime environment. When a Java program is compiled, it creates bytecode that is stored in class files. The Java Virtual Machine (JVM) then loads these classes at runtime as needed. However, if the JVM is unable to locate the required class, it will throw a class-not-found-exception. Causes of class-not-found-exception error. Class not found on class path. The most common cause of class-not-found-exception error is when a class is not available on the class path. This could be because the class is not included in the build a runtime environment, or because the class path is not set correctly. Class not found in runtime environment. Another possible cause of the class not found exception error is when a class is not available in the runtime environment. This could happen if the class is not included in the jar file or if the jar file is not properly deployed. Name of class incorrect. It's possible that the class name is spelled incorrectly, or that the package name is incorrect, leading to a class not found exception error. Version mismatch. In some cases, a class-not-found-exception error can occur due to a version mismatch between the class used in the code and the class available in the runtime environment. Class loader issue. If there is a problem with the class loader used to load the class, a class-not-found-exception error can occur. How to fix class-not-found-exception error and error? Check class path. The first step in fixing a class-not-found-exception error is to check the class path to ensure that the required class is available. Make sure that the class is included in the build a runtime environment and that the class path is set correctly. Check the jar file. If the class is included in a jar file, make sure that the jar file is properly deployed and that the class is included in the jar file. Check the class name. Check that the class name is spelled correctly and that the package name is correct. Make sure that the case of the class name matches the case used in the code. Check version mismatch. If the class-not-found-exception error is due to a version mismatch, make sure that the correct version of the class is available in the runtime environment. Check class loader. If there is a problem with the class loader, try using a different class loader or check the configuration of the current class loader. Conclusion. The class-not-found-exception error is a common error that can occur in Java programs when a required class is not found. The causes of this error can range from issues with the class path to version mismatches and class loader issues. By checking these potential causes and implementing the appropriate fixes, you can resolve this error and ensure that your Java program runs smoothly. I hope this video is useful to all programmers and developers to resolve this error. If you like this video, then share it and subscribe our channel to watch different type of errors in Java. Also press bell icon to get notification of new uploaded video. Thanks for watching this video.